In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme for your website, give it a little more of a creative feel. Once you're at your site, you're going to go over to the top right. You have Insert, you have Pages, and then the far right is Themes. You're going to select any of the themes that you think would be great for your site. You have a few different choices. Just click through, see what it looks like. When you're clicking through and checking out which one you like, you can also change the color and font style to make it more appealing to your students, keeping them interested in what you have to say on your website, which is the most important part. So you could click it here and it'll change. And then on font style, it gives you different choices of font style. So pretty cool. Easy to change, easy to work with, and that is how you change the theme, color, and font of your Google site.